Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can use Google Gemini on the lock screen. Say for example, now I unlock the phone, right? If I lock it and if I give a voice command like "Hey Google" and ask something, my phone is asking to unlock the phone first, then only it is responding, even for to make the calls or the flashlight on and everything. Now we'll make a setting enable so that we can use Google Gemini even on this lock screen. First of all, before turning on that option, let us check whether it is working. Hey Google, hey Google, what is the dollar price today? See, it is asking me to provide the fingerprint so that I can unlock the phone, and now it can give the results. So how you can adjust the settings? Click on your Android phone settings, then scroll down until you find an app called Google here. So this will be Google, and here you'll find all services. Click on all services and scroll down until you'll find this search voice assistant and voice, and here you will have Google Assistant and Gemini. We need Gemini, so you need to click on Gemini, and there are different options. If you scroll down, see here there is a option called Gemini on lock screen. See here, Gemini on lock screen, tap on this. This is not enabled, now I enabled. Use Gemini without unlocking your phone. And there is one more option, make calls and send messages without unlocking. So I'm just turning this also, turning on, and now we'll check it. First of all, I'll check the flashlight. Okay, hey Google, hey Google, hey Google, turn on the flashlight.
I've turned on the flashlight.
Let us check this. Okay, turn off the flashlight. Hey Google, turn off the flashlight.
I've turned off the flashlight.
Yeah, see here. Okay, let us check now. Still it is in the lock state. My phone is in lock state. Hey Google, hey Google, hey Google, call Sudhir BTech. So even on the lock screen I can make some
Would you
calls.
like to call Sudhir BTech?
Yes. See, now the phone is still in the lock state and it is making a call. Sorry, the internet is a bit slow for me. That's the reason it is taking its time.
Calling Sudhir BTech.
So this is how you can make to work Google Gemini on lock screen. And not only this, you can set the alarm on the lock screen, you can turn on the flashlight, and you can ask the information, hey Google, tell me a joke. See, on the lock screen it will provide the information also. Yeah, just for the testing I asked it. So if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.